Welcome back to the Real Mobile Reviews channel. Today, we're taking a quick look at the Google Pixel 8 Pro, a smartphone that focuses on smart AI features, clean design, and an amazing camera experience. The Pixel 8 Pro comes with a 6.7-inch LTPO OLED display that feels super smooth thanks to its 120Hz refresh rate. The colors look vibrant, the brightness is excellent even outdoors, and it's perfect for watching videos or gaming. Under the hood, it's powered by Google's Tensor G3 chip, designed especially for AI performance. This means faster voice recognition, smarter photo editing, and smoother everyday usage. The phone runs on pure Android, with 7 years of updates, which is a big win for long-term users. Now let's talk about the highlight, the camera. The Pixel 8 Pro features a 50MP main camera, 48MP ultrawide, and a 48MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. Photos look natural, sharp, and detailed. Google's AI tools like Magic Editor, Best Take, and Night Sight take mobile photography to the next level. Battery life is solid with a 5050 mAh battery, easily lasting a full day. It supports fast charging and wireless charging, making daily use very convenient. In terms of build quality, the Pixel 8 Pro feels premium with Gorilla Glass Victus 2, water resistance, and a sleek design. Overall, the Google Pixel 8 Pro is perfect for users who want a clean Android experience, top-tier cameras, and powerful AI features. If you enjoyed this quick review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.